How to reduce cold in children? So first of all, we need to see why baby is getting cold, baby or your child is getting cold. Maybe is it because of any infection or is it because of mild rhinitis? So if it is because of infection, then it should be diagnosed by the doctor. So we need to go to the doctor and ensure that it is not any infective etiology. So whatever medicines he advises, you can go ahead. Otherwise, routinely common colds will be happening in the kids. To avoid that, you can get a routine annual influenza vaccine that will be given before the onset of rainy season.